会引到灭亡。那门是宽的，路是大的，进去的人也多。台中国际机电会中华民国总会2001中英对照圣经新约全书
The Holy Bible New Testament Chinese and English Bilingual Edition.
窄门圣经马太福音第7章1字
Because narrow is the gate and difficult is the way which leads to life, and there are few who find it.
因到永生，那门是窄的，